If you want to start using the paid plan of Framer, you should click on the link in the description and use the promo code PARTNER25 Pro yearly to get 25% off and 3 months for free. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Figma to Framer. So in your Figma account, if you have a project or ready to convert to Framer, just follow this guide. But in this case, I'm going to use a template from Figma. So on your project, copy all of that content of yours and then right click. You will see there a selection to plugins and then select Figma to HTML with Framer. Now wait to copy your layers, and then once it's done, go to your Framer and then make sure to edit the width and height of your artboard in Framer. Now click the plus button on the upper left corner and then select the utility and drag the embedded code. Now on the right side, switch it to HTML and then paste the copy layers you copied from Figma, and it will automatically generate your Figma templates to Framer. Now it takes few minutes to upload the Figma images. Now once it's done, you will see your Figma project here in Framer. Now you just need to adjust the size, and that's it. It's ready to publish. And that's how you convert Figma to Framer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.